solve a problem under symmetric and skew-symmetric matrices. Express A, which is equal to 3, 5, 1, minus 1 as the sum of symmetric and skew-symmetric matrix. Solution. Given A is equal to 3, 5, 1, minus 1. So, what will be A dash? A dash is equal to 3, 5, which is on the first row, will become the first column, and 1 minus 1 on the second row becomes the second column. So, A plus A dash is equal to 3, 5, 1, minus 1. That should be added with 3, 1, 5, minus 1. So, that is on addition we arrive at 6, 6 again, 6 and a minus 2. So, half of A plus A transpose is equal to half of 6, 6, 6 and a minus 2. So, it is 3, 3, 3 and a minus 1. Consider it as the first equation. Now, we need to do the skew-symmetric part. So, it is, let us find out A minus A dash. So, A minus A dash is 3, 5, 1, minus 1. Already we have found out what is A dash. So, let us write it down, 3, 1, 5, minus 1. So, what does that arrive as to? So, I have a 0, 4, minus 4, minus 1, minus of minus 1. So, minus 1 plus 1. So, that leaves me with a 0 there. Now, half of A minus A dash is equal to half of 0, 4 minus 4, 0. So, that is 0, 2, minus 2, 0. Take it as the second equation. Now, what is the condition? We need to express this as a sum of symmetric and skew-symmetric matrices. So, what is the expression? We know the expression there. So, we need to establish A to be equal to half of A plus A dash plus half of A minus A dash. So, we know what is A. So, that is our left hand side. Let's compute what is right hand side and compare it with A. So, right hand side is equal to half of A plus A dash plus half of A minus A dash, which is ultimately the sum of the first and second equations. So, it is 3, 3, 3 minus 1 to be added with 0, 2 minus 2, 0. So, that is equal to 3 plus 0 leaves me with a 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, 3 minus 2 is 1, minus 1 plus 0 is minus 1. So, is it equal to A? Yes, definitely yes. A is equal to 3, 5, 1, minus 1. So, this is equal to A, which is the left hand side of what we are supposed to establish. So, we have expressed A to be equal to the sum of the symmetric and skew-symmetric part. So, hence expressed. And that concludes the solution. So, hope you have understood it. Now, we have taken up A, which is 3, 5, 1, minus 1, and try to express it as the sum of symmetric and skew-symmetric part. The symmetric and skew-symmetric part, if we need to establish, we need to get this expression, and we have got it.